This is massive energy transformation in action. This project is powered by 6 110 kilowatt on-grid service inverters, paired with 1,075 JA solar panels high efficiency, delivering a total of 660 kilowatt-hour power. And the best part is, this system is already fully operational. And without NEPA, that's 2 million naira avoided daily in diesel costs. Smarter energy, lower operating costs, and reliable power. This is what utility scale power looks like, delivered to you by Pro-sunenergy.